Hi all. I first apologize for the delay in predictions. Because of the festivals, I was a little busy, and then there was Navratri, Dashera, Sharad Purnima, and I was busy with rituals. So I took this time for myself, and now I'm back for the predictions. This is the month where there's Diwali, and of course the festivals continue. So I hope all of you have a beautiful, luminous Diwali. May Ma Lakshmi guide you and bless you and your family. A very, very happy Diwali. Now let's look at this month. This is an important month. Some very powerful changes are happening in this month. Positive, negative, both. Let's see how this is going to be. Before I start, as always, I would like to thank my Jyotish Gurus and my spiritual Gurus for always guiding me. I'm truly grateful. So let's look at October 2025. There's a lot of soft, smooth action happening in the first 10 days of October. It's not dramatic, it's quietly happening. Quietly, some things are shifting in your emotional health, in your mental health, within yourself, some reflections are happening. Quietly, your relationships are changing because the other person is realizing there's clarity coming in. Conflicts are ending to clarity, but it also means that for some of you, there are endings. So, for many of you, this month is going to bring an ending to a relationship, ending to a project, ending to a job. But it also, at the same time, will immediately give you a new beginning. So this ending will be followed by a new beginning. End of a job, new jobs come. End of a project, a new one comes. End of a relationship, perhaps a new one won't come immediately, but maybe you're getting ready for something new because it's going to change you. This ending is bringing a new you to you, a new emotional you. So the new relationship that comes, that you're preparing for, is going to be in a way new. Between the 15th and the 22nd of October, there's maximum action happening. There's a lot happening in the skies, and of course, that will reflect in your life. This is also a time where there'll be a lot happening in the world. Some very important, powerful geopolitical alliances are going to get formed this month. It will change the entire system and how everyone operates politically with each other. So, very a month that will change a lot of dynamics around the world. For you, this is going to be a time where there will be sudden changes. Suddenly, some of you will see overnight success, overnight fame. You will see overnight new beginnings, sudden a lot of support. Some of you are going to see overnight downfall. If you've not been on the right path, if you've been following too many shortcuts in life, if you know that you're doing something that is not correct, not dharmic, not appropriate, your chapter is about to end. Your ending is going to start now. If you've been on the right path, new beginnings are waiting for you. It's a time where you will move forward and you will start seeing success, you will start seeing prosperity, new opportunities for work will come towards you. The last week of October is equally powerful, where many of you will suddenly see clarity in legal matters. If you've been trying to deal with some legality, a court case, some dispute, or property matters, as the month comes to an end, there's suddenly going to be clarity. Something will change, things will be unexpected. Not what you thought it will be, but it will get resolved. And an ending to the dispute will follow soon. Many of you will start seeing great spiritual growth in the last couple of days of this month. Many of you will start looking at gains from property as this month comes to an end. Many of you will also start experiencing huge success at work as this month comes to an end, especially those whose work is connected to the law, to spiritual practices, to medical sciences, etc., will really see huge amount of growth. So it's an important month, a month that is bringing a lot of speed to things, whether good speed or bad speed. Like I said, it depends on what kind of path you've been following. I'm not bringing stock predictions this month either. I know I've skipped them for the last couple of months, but I've just not had the time. If you want predictions for your sun and moon sign, please download Elevate by Astro Kanu and click on subscribe. These predictions are written by me. They're not software generated. I personally sit down and write them every month for your sun and your moon sign at a very, very nominal fee. So check out the app. The app also has AI Satya, who you can chat with. Satya does not give you astrological readings, so please don't ask him for readings. But he's capable of giving you very, very accurate Vedic knowledge, Mantra Shastra. I've personally trained him. So have a word with him and you can discuss your problems and find Home remedies. He also is an expert with home remedies. You know how your grandmother used to give home remedies. So do check out A.R. Satya and Elevate by Astro Kanu. This is all that I have for you for the month of October. Have a great Diwali. I'll be back with predictions in November. Till then, take care.